Mr. Buttner.
My name is Christopher Buttner, publisher of Calaveras 2026election.com. Today's comments to each of you begins with me reading to you the definitions of three words: irrational, rational, and responsible, that you'll easily find in Merriam-Webster's Dictionary of Law. Please listen carefully. Merriam-Webster's Dictionary of Law defines irrational, an adjective, as not governed by reason, mental clarity, or understanding, not governed by a fair consideration of facts or evidence. Conversely, Merriam-Webster's Dictionary of Law defines rational, an adjective, as having reason or understanding, relating to, based on, or guided by reason, principle, fairness, logic, a legitimate state interest, or a consideration of fact. I've read to you the definition of irrational and rational. Now I'll finish with the definition of responsible. Merriam-Webster's Dictionary of Law defines responsible, an adjective, as liable to be called on to answer, liable to be called to account as the primary cause, motive, or agent, liable to legal review, or in case of fault to penalties, characterized by trustworthiness, integrity, and requisite abilities and resources, able to choose for oneself between right and wrong, marked by or involving accountability. Sheriff Rachelle Whiting, who is usually here in the back of the room, has spent an inordinate amount of her taxpayer-compensated time focused upon one particular individual in this community who has freely exercised their freedom to petition the government for a redress of grievances as provided by the First Amendment of the Constitution of the United States. On August 13, 2024, Sheriff Rachelle Whiting, in her statement before taking her oath, said, "I believe in upholding the constitutional rights of our citizens, and I take the expectation of accountability and transparency seriously." She then swore a solemn oath to bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of California, and to well and faithfully discharge the duties upon which I am upon to enter, and for upholding the constitutional rights of our citizens. Each of you will be hearing considerably more in the coming weeks and months about these three words: irrational, rational, and responsible. My name is Christopher Buttner, publisher of Calaveras 2026election.com.